Hello friends. As a part of our series Master a Concept Just in 10 Minutes, now I explain the concept of data hierarchy. Data is very core. As you know, our program process data and get the desired result or expected result. That's why we should have complete understanding of data. Data is developed in different stages and all that. Now I am going to explain all those stages. The first one is bit. Second one is character. Third one is character set. Fourth one is byte. Fifth one is word. Sixth one is field. Seventh one is record. Eighth one is file. Ninth one is database. In this manner, you have to remember. Now I give a brief explanation. Bit, character, character set, byte, word, field, record, file and database. Okay, first a bit. Bit means either 1 or 0. Computer's mother tongue is binary. Binary means it represents only 2 digits, 1 and 0. These are represented by on and off. Every electronic device is having on and off states. On is represented by 1 is represented by on, 0 is represented by off. That much information is enough. By bit is the short form of binary digit. Binary digit is capital CT bit. That is short form of binary digit. Okay, that's why always the word term digital used, because computers work based on 1 and 0. That's why we use a digital word. Okay, character. Actually, if we have to do program originally, you must do it in ones and zeros in binary form. If it is the only case, nobody is interested to learn. That is called low level language. Low level means computer's processor level language. We have to learn language in a binary only. But if it is the case, nobody is interested to learn. That's why characters are developed. Characters are part of the human language. You know that many characters are there, A to Z 26, A to Z 26, 0 to 9, 10 and several symbols are there like this and all that. Now simply whatever characters you find on keyboard, all these are characters. Actually we understand characters only. We develop all words in characters only. So every programming language developed in the form of characters only, combination of characters. They coin the new words and all. So character is the core. So by combination of bits only, characters are developed. Thereafter character set. Actually there are many characters. Many characters. Actually by using characters only, we create code in every program. For that purpose, several coding schemes are there. ASCII, FCDIC, Unicode, Latin one. Like coding schemes are there. What are the coding schemes? Simple example I give you. Suppose whatever we use A. But A, if you type and all, the computer cannot understand. If it does not understand, how it can process? That's why for every character, what we see on a keyboard, for that a code is created. So for every character, suppose for example 5, the coding is like this and all that. For every character, whatever we see on a keyboard, a character coding scheme is created, and for that purpose, ASCII coding scheme, that is primary one, but it represents only English and other European languages, and Unicode. Unicode represents all world languages. So this is a different subject and all that. So character set, whatever character we use in our program, for everything equivalent binary form is created. For that corresponding coding scheme is there, ASCII, Unicode, FCDIC, Latin one, etc. and all that. Thereafter byte. Byte is composition of 8 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bits. Actually, data should be moved from one device to one place to other, one device to other, and all that. Then only processing is possible. So it is moved from one place to other in the form of byte. Byte is a unit. This is a element. Basic element is bit, and basic unit is byte. That is the difference. You have to understand. Thereafter, word. Actually, computers are having different capacities. That is 8 bit, 16 bit, 32 bit, 64 bit, like that. Different capacities of computers are there. Actually, capacity is more means its processing speed is more. Actually, a low capacity computer 8 bit, at a time one word it processes. That word size is 8 bit. Other better capacity and all that, 2 bytes, 16 bits at a time it processes. Other one 32 bit, other one 64. In this way, the processor speed is measured, that whatever unit is there, this is called word. Whatever at a time a computer, whatever number of bits a computer process is called word. But these are not called as bytes. Actually, this is 1 byte, 2 byte, 4 byte, and 8 byte. But it is popularly 8 bit, 16 bit, 32 bit, and 64 bit, and it is represented like that and all that. That's a word. Word means whatever a computer process, a number of bits, that is the word. Thereafter, field. Actually, now let's come to data. Actually, you are a student in a school. So your first I start from, suppose your name. Your name is there. Your name is a field. In the same way, your class number is there. It is another field. Your roll number is there. This is another field. This is age is there. One unit of data. One specific data is called field. Your name is a data. Your class number is another data. Another field. Your roll number is another field. Your age is another field. Whatever is there, that is these are called fields. Actually, record means, suppose 4 fields are stored for each student in a school. 4 fields, that is name, class number, roll number, age. 4 fields are stored. This is called record. This is one student data. In this, any number of fields are there. For the simple example, I am taking only 4 fields. So a record means composition of fields. Next one, file. Actually, in your class 60 students are there. So how many records are required? 60 records are required. 60 records as a unit, they are stored, and that is called file. Actually, next, database. Actually, in your school 20 classes are there. Each class 60 students are there, means 20 records are there. Database means 20 files are required. That is database. Each file is having 60 records, and 60, each record is having 4 fields. In this manner, you have to understand. You should have a basic understanding of this. And one thing, I provide you all this material in your description. I provide you link, and you can download the data, that file, soft copy, and then you go through that for having better knowledge.